We called the GCTK short squeeze. GCTK is now a top gainer, and we called out this stock when it was just $2, rallied all the way to $2.80, which is a 40% increase, which would net you $4,000 profit trading with just $10,000. We call out short squeezes just like GCTK every single trading day in our Pro Discord. Make sure that you join us in Pro if you're serious about trading and watch the live video where we called out the stock. You buy into GCTK. Yes, we called out this stock yesterday. We're looking at it, and right now it may just be ready to rally. I'm looking for a retest of $2, which it's at right now. Okay, potentially from the $2 level, right? See how it pulled back to $2? That's called a retest. You could potentially rally off this level back up to $2.14 and potentially $2.33. GCTK. GCTK short squeeze. GCTK short squeezed after we called it out. Like most of the stocks that we called out in the Pro group, this stock short squeezed. Here is exactly where we bought in this morning at 7:30 a.m. If you want to make money, if you're tired of losing money in the stock market, if you're ready to take trading seriously and recover your trading losses, I'd like to help you. Join me in the Pro group, send me a DM on Discord, and let's make some money together.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a Pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?